أسماء النطاقات الدولية تسمح لي أستعمل لغة مفاتيحي الخاصة وبلغتي علشان أوصل للإنترنت.
أسماء البطاقات الدولية ستسهل استخدام الإنترنت للأطفال في بلدي.
Идут важни неща за света.
За децата во мојата држава да користат интернетот.
知晓世界上的重要事情。
Интернационалните домеин имиња ќе има возможност на моето општество да комуницираат подобро.
使我们当地的企业使用当地的网址开展电子商务业务。
تسهل دعم الأخبار المحلية والمعلومات عبر شبكة الإنترنت.
පාසල් වෙනත් ආයතනවලට පිටිසර පළාත්වලට තොරතුරු සැපයීමට ඉඩ දීමෙන්.
يسمح للعائلات والأصدقاء
Long tok tok на райтин пас и го икам long токлес long олет.
Всички на един и същ език.
Internationalized domain names. It's one step at making the internet equally accessible for everyone.
Hi, I'm Rod Beckstrom, and like over half the world of internet users, I'm really excited about internationalized domain names. And the reason is over half the users of the internet today don't use a Latin-based script as their native language. And those people have all been having to type out web names that at least ended in Latin scripts, if the whole thing wasn't in Latin scripts. And they've been wanting to use their keyboards in their native languages and their native scripts to describe their own companies, schools, groups, and organizations. So IDNs is really one of the most exciting changes in all of ICANN's 11-year history. And people have been working on that just in the ICANN processing community for 9 years. People in the engineering community have been working even longer. People out there in the political communities have been working longer. So this is really important. It's about making the internet more global and more accessible. Or as I like to say, it's very simply one world, one internet, everyone connected. And IDNs is another great tool to make that happen. So thanks for being part of that effort.
Right now there are 37 Roman characters available and only 26 of them at the top level. The IDN program will encompass close to 100,000 characters. Hangul and Kanji, Chinese, traditional and simplified, Arabic, Hebrew, and so on.
Now is a very exciting time because of the work that you have done for so many years. 7 years of work alone in the ICANN community, not even counting all the IETF and other work to create international domain names. To make the promise of one world, one internet, with everyone connected, come true. Because it hasn't been possible for all parties to use their native languages and their native scripts on the internet.
Internationalized domain names will mean people can get their name in their language to experience their internet. Very soon, instead of typing .kr into their browser, Korean speakers will be able to put in Hangul characters for their variation of .korea. So the internet will open up billions more people here in Korea and billions more across the globe. Well, getting to this point has been a great deal of work. Dedicated volunteers, and I pay tribute to them as volunteers, and a lot of times it's not appreciated what a huge volunteer effort ICANN is. Work from those volunteers through dedicated hundreds of thousands of hours and contributing fantastically clever technical ideas to solving these policy challenges. And very soon we will see the results. And just stop for a moment and recall that IDNs are the biggest change to the underlying structure of the internet since its creation 40 years ago.
I want to personally thank everyone for their dedication, their ideas, and their expertise over the past 9 years. And as a recognition of her own personal efforts, but also as a recognition of all staff, I want to make a special thanks to Tina Dam for her extraordinary service to the internet and its users. Tina, thank you so much for what has become a tireless and determined personal and professional mission. We wish you could be here in person. We appreciate you so much.
We have about 300 million Russian-speaking people around the world. And I think most of them will support my words, saying thank you to the ICANN community.
The proposed launch date for the fast-track process is November the 16th, which is why we're here tonight, to celebrate the incredible work done to get us to this point. And who knows, one day in the future, people may mark IDN Day, the way the Koreans mark Hangul Day.
As I said, some people see a cacophony, I see a symphony.
Me too. And even though I'm far away, I'm always going to be close to IDNs. So I just wanted to say congratulations to everybody in Seoul and around the world. We're going to launch the IDN CCTLD fast track process, and it's going to be amazing.